Inspecting pipes is often harder than it sounds. Many pipelines are hidden, flooded, or impossible to reach from the outside, making inspection and maintenance costly, time-consuming, and sometimes unsafe. TUBERS is an EU-funded project designed to overcome these limitations by working from the inside of the pipe. Its approach enables remote inspection and repair without excavating or dismantling existing infrastructure. The project's soft inchworm robot moves through pipes using peristaltic motion, pulling its tether and traveling vertically for tens of meters. It can carry tools for inspection, maintenance, and repair, and even isolate sections of pipe to remove water and apply treatments. Mounted on the robot, the UT module measures wall thickness around the full circumference using ultrasound, which makes it ideal for inaccessible or overhead pipes. Supporting these tools, the decision support system uses AI trained on internal pipe images to detect defects and critical anomalies. Discover how TUBERS is transforming pipe inspection and helping secure Europe's infrastructure.